If you have a business idea that you maybe want to work out, definitely reach out to the Duquesne SBDC and they are willing to help you with every question that you have. Hi, my name is Geert. I'm the founder of Northbridge and we help international students to find jobs after college. We know that it's super hard for international students to find jobs because there's a big misconception about visas. So with Northbridge, we try to break that stereotype and make it easier for them to get employment. Our goal is to partner with as many universities as possible. We found out that universities have a very hard time to connect their international students with educated employers who are willing to hire them. And right now we have over 10,000 international student-friendly jobs, which sets us apart from other job platforms because we just focus on international students. The Duquesne SBDC has helped me a lot with the start of Northbridge. 2 years ago, I knew I wanted to start a company that helps international students in their employment because I was having such a hard time myself to find a job. So I reached out to the Duquesne SBDC and they helped me a lot with refining the business model. I also had no money to pay a lawyer. So with the help of the Duquesne SBDC, we were connected with one of their partner law firms who did pro bono work for us, which was amazing because, like I said, we had no capital available, and that resulted in us filing for the LLC, which was a great start. It was super helpful to have a mentor available at the Duquesne SBDC where I could bounce ideas off because I knew I had this idea of helping international students. I just didn't know exactly what it was and how it would work. So to have like weekly or bi-weekly meetings with somebody who is like a professional was super helpful because the initial idea is so different than the product that we have now, and that's partly thanks to the Duquesne SBDC because of their help and their critical view. We are officially live since 2 months, so it is all super new. We are moving super fast, and we officially started with a team of 2, me and my business partner who is in the Netherlands, and we are now a team of 7 people. Everybody is an international student or a former international student, so it's super excited. And since the 2.5 months that we are live, we have reached about 500 paid users on our platform, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.